How to fix driver irql or not equal blue error on Windows. 1. Update your wireless adapter driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Remove Asus AI Suite using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide. 3. Download the latest network driver via the above mentioned Avast driver updater. 4. Check your hardware. 5. Update soft Ether VPN software, if any. 6. Remove Zone Alarm Firewall via the above mentioned Uninstall Tool Pro. 7. Reset Windows.